Respect is not something that comes with money, status, or physical strength. It is earned through consistent actions and behavior that show understanding, empathy, and integrity. To be a respectful man, start by mastering the art of active listening. This means focusing entirely on the person speaking, maintaining eye contact, and responding thoughtfully, showing that you value their words. Empathy is another critical skill. It allows you to connect with others on a deeper level by understanding their feelings and perspectives, whether they're celebrating a victory or enduring a struggle. Communication also plays a pivotal role. Choose your words wisely, avoid unnecessary criticism, and always aim to resolve conflicts calmly and constructively. A respectful man is one who keeps his promises, whether it's something as small as showing up on time, or as significant as fulfilling a commitment. Consistency in your actions builds trust and reliability. Respecting boundaries is equally essential. Understand that everyone has personal and emotional limits, and by honoring them, you demonstrate that you value their autonomy. Self-respect is another cornerstone of becoming a respectful man. Taking care of your physical and mental health, setting high standards for your behavior, and continually striving for self-improvement set a strong foundation for how you treat others. Beyond these fundamental traits, being respectful also involves practicing gratitude, expressing appreciation, not just for major favors, but for the little things people do for you every day. Humility, too, is vital. Celebrate your successes without arrogance. Acknowledge your flaws, and be open to feedback. In professional settings, respect means valuing everyone's contribution, regardless of their role or title, and creating an environment where collaboration thrives. In personal relationships, it's about showing love and care in actions, not just words, and supporting your loved ones through thick and thin. Being respectful doesn't mean being a pushover. It's about standing up for what's right, while maintaining grace and dignity. For instance, in heated situations, a respectful man doesn't resort to shouting or aggression but stays composed and handles disagreements with tact. Building respect also requires continuous self-reflection. Take time to evaluate your actions and their impact on others. Did you uplift someone today, or unintentionally hurt them? Adjust your approach as needed. Storytelling can be a powerful way to connect with this concept. Imagine a scenario. You're in a workplace meeting, and a colleague hesitates to share their idea. A respectful man encourages them, listens without judgment, and appreciates their contribution. This small act not only boosts their confidence, but also strengthens the team's bond. Now, think about your daily habits. Simple actions like saying thank you, holding the door open for someone, or acknowledging someone's effort might seem minor, but have a significant impact in cultivating respect. Social media has added a new layer to being a respectful man. Online, respect means engaging positively, refraining from unnecessary arguments, and avoiding toxic behavior. Remember, your online persona reflects your real-life character. Respect isn't just about how you treat others. It's a reflection of how you treat yourself. Setting goals, being disciplined, and staying true to your values are forms of self-respect that inspire others to treat you with the same regard. As we conclude, always remember, being respectful isn't about being perfect. It's about striving to be better every day. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might benefit, Unsubscribe for more life-changing insights. Respect starts with you, and it's never too late to begin this transformative journey.